Welcome in the video number 9 of this course, and in this one we're gonna talk about how to create a good banner. And this is not optional. The banner is another opportunity of showing something about you or your project that you don't want to miss. And I said about you or your project because here there is not a single rule about what you have to place here, but you want to place something about you. It can be your project, like a new visual you want to share about it, but personally I prefer something more personal. On my profile page, I have put the amount of startup failures that I have experienced in my life. And I think it creates a stronger connection with people because it shows that I'm not just trying to look successful. It shows the reality behind building startup, and people relate to that much more. So if you want to do like me, you can create a visual that shows your personality, your mindset, or your story. And don't overthink it. It can be simple as mine. It's just a few squares on a black background. You can also create more advanced visual with GPT image that I've shown you for the profile picture, but it's really up to you. And now congratulations, because you have everything you need to be memorable. You have a profile picture that is attractive and recognizable, you have a bio and a banner that tells who you are, a pinned post that tells what you're working on, and a content that is authentic and that nobody can duplicate. Now people looking at your profile know exactly what kind of value you're gonna provide in the next weeks. And now they have a reason to actually follow you.